students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 5 of exercise 12.1 of chapter 12 Heron's Formula, class 9 CBSE NCERT. So question number 5 says sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeters. Find its area. So we need to find out the area using the Heron's formula. Okay. So the sides are given to be in the ratio of 12:17:25. So the area of the triangle is to be found out. We are drawing the triangle and this is a triangle and let the sides be A, B and C, and the ratio of the sides A is to B is to C is given to be 12:17:25. So here we have been given the perimeter. So let the first side be. So let the first side be 12x. Let the second side be 17x and let the third side be 25x. So the perimeter we already know is given by A plus B plus C. Perimeter is the boundary of any of the closed figure. Here the closed figure is triangle. We have been already studying from previous classes that the perimeter is given by the sum of all the sides. So the sum of all the sides will be A plus B plus C. So we have assumed to be the sides to be 12x, 17x and 25x. So we will be substituting over here and the perimeter value we have been already given in the question to be 540 centimeters. So 540 will be equal to 12x plus 17x plus 25x. Okay. After adding all these we will be getting over here 29x plus 25x. Okay. And 29x plus 25x will be 54. So we'll be getting over here 54x. Okay. So that will be equal to 540. So from here we can easily find out the value of x, which will be equal to 540 upon 54. Which will be equal to 540 upon 54. So here 54 is in multiplication with the x. When it will go that side, it will go with the division. So we have done over here 540 upon 54. So the value of x comes out to be 10 centimeter. Okay. So we can easily find out the sides from here. So our first side, let us say A is equal to 12x. We can substitute the value of x. 12 into 10 will be equal to 120 centimeter. So my first side is 120 centimeter. Okay. Then we can easily find out the second side, which is B. B will be equal to 17x. B will be equal to 17x. Will be equal to 17 into 10. So that will be equal to 170 centimeter. So it will be equal to 170 centimeter. Okay. Now the third side we have assumed it to be 25x. So 25 into 10 will give us 250 centimeter. Will give us 250 centimeter. So the value of C comes out to be 250 centimeter. Okay. So we have now calculated all the three sides of the triangle. Now easily we can find out the area using the Heron's formula. We are having A, B, C. We are having the perimeter, with the help of perimeter we can easily find out semi-perimeter. Okay, so let us first find out the semi-perimeter, the value of S. Okay, so the semi-perimeter S will be equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So A plus B plus C, already we are having the perimeter to be 540, okay, over here. So our semi-perimeter will be equal to 540 upon 2, that will be 270 centimeter. Okay, so now area using Heron's formula will be equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So substituting the value of S and ABC, the sides we have already calculated, the semi-perimeter we have already calculated over here. Okay, so S is 270, 270 minus A is 120 centimeter, okay, 120. Then 270 minus B is 170 centimeter, okay, and 270 minus C is 250 centimeter, okay, so it will be 250 centimeter. So 270 minus 120 will give us the value of 150, okay. Yes, it will give us 150, it will give us 100, 270 minus 170 will give us 100, then 270 minus 250 will give us 20, okay, will give us 20. Now we will be making the factors of all these so that we can get the pairing of 2, and the pairing of 2 we will be getting, and we will be taking out the pairs of 2, and whatever will be not paired will remain in the under root, okay. So let us start pairing it. This we can easily write as 9 3 is 27. So we'll be writing over here 3 into 3 9. 9 3 is 27. You can also use the rough column for making the factors, okay. If you are having any difficulty, you can use the rough column for making the factors. If you can't do directly, you can use the rough column, okay. So 9 3 is 27. So 3 3 is 9 into 3 into 10. Again over here 3 5 is 15 and into 10. 100 we already know, it is 10 square, 10 into 10, and here we can easily write 2 into 10, okay. So now let us see what all pairs we are getting over here. So here we are getting 3 into 3, 1 pair, then 3 over here, this 3 I can write with over here, this 10 and this 10, okay. Then these two 10 into 10 over here, okay, 5 into 2, and this also we can write over here, this 10 we can write 5 into 2, okay. So let us see what all pairs we are getting. One is this pair, one is this, one is this, and this 2. Ultimately which that is left is 2. So this 3 comes out 3 into 3 into 10 into 10 into 5 into 2. So 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 10 into 10, again 5 2s are 10. So ultimately the area which we are getting is 9,000 centimeter square. Okay, so the area which we are getting is 9000. So this is our answer. Okay, so basically we were not knowing the sides first. So with the help of perimeter, with the help of the concept given over here that the ratios are given of the sides, ratios are given. So we found out the sides of the triangle. When we found out the sides of the triangle, then we substituted it in semi-perimeter. We found out the semi-perimeter, and then we substituted all the values in the area of the triangle. The formula for the area of the triangle, Heron's formula basically, because the chapter is of Heron's formula, so we need to apply the Heron's formula. So we substituted all the values, and ultimately we did the pairing. We found out the factors and we did the pairing of 2, and each pair will come out, one value will come out, and ultimately we got the answer as 9000 centimeter square. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.